Welcome to another tip of the week. Today we're talking about the Trasharoo. Those of you who do a lot of camping have probably seen these around. These are a great way to do wet storage, dry storage, trash, anything you don't want to have inside your vehicle or in the trailer. It's perfect to have for that. Now there's several other brands. Trasharoo is just one of them. But the point is I want to show you how I have this mounted up, because for those of you that don't have a spare tire on your vehicle, like in a swing arm, this is an alternative approach, especially if you get the spare tire from OGT for your trailer. What I had to do is basically loosen up the bolts that this is attached to slide the tire out a little bit, and then I could install the straps. But it works perfectly. And I keep, like I said, keep my trash, keep anything that I don't necessarily want in the vehicle inside of the Trasharoo, and it works out perfectly. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these, and like I said, there's other brands out there. So this has been Tip of the Week.